To find the probability of a union, we do the same thing as we did counting, only we're going to do probability. So I'm going to take the probability of A plus the probability of B, then I'm going to subtract off where they intersect. Now, complement in probability in sample space means the part that it isn't. So it means the complement of A is not A. And the symbol we use is we use A prime. That's at least what your textbook is going to use. So we're going to go with that one. Now, on here, my picture is a little confusing because I want things that are not in A. So I want things that are in green, but it's actually anything not in A. That's why that line is pointing to the outside. So I would have everything that's not blue, including the intersection. We don't include the intersection because that's still A. So it would be everything I'm coloring in here in green. And that's what we have. Now, to find the probability of an event, we take 1 minus the probability of it happening. Why do we use 1? Because 1 is certainty. So the probability of it snowing tomorrow, 100%, means it's guaranteed to snow. The probability you'll have an assignment today is 100%. Actually, it's not, but it's pretty darn close. And then we just take 1 minus the probability of A. So if I take a look at example 11 here, we got Merdufus. She's going to watch a movie tonight. And in her movie, she's going to pick something that's not, let me read what I said. Okay, pick a movie from list over, it's supposed to be her, sorry. Well, probably the comedy will not be chosen. So what happens is, I'm going to find 1 minus the probability of a comedy. Well, if I look here, my comedy is 112, right? So I'm going to say 1 minus 112. How many movies do we have to choose from? We have 350. So if I reduce that, I get 230, or if I subtract that, I get 238 over 350. And then if we reduce that, we get 17 out of 25. If we write that as a decimal or a percent, there's a 68% chance that Merdufus is not going to do a comedy. So over half, we had a pretty good chance that she's not going to pick a comedy. Guess she's not very fun-loving. Okay, now, here is just showing all the different ways we can do our sample space. Notice we have A intersection B would be the green part. A union B would be the green part, so everything is, and then I have everything not A. That's a better picture than the example I had. We have A intersection of the complement of B, and so on. So we got all those different ones you can refer to as you work on your assignment.